Hello lovely viewers and subscribers, welcome to JT Electrical Engineering STEM, and today we are going to install or wire a one-way switch controlled by one lamp. And then today is a special day because this is the day we are having our first practical video, and then you can imagine. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do justice to it because more will be coming. If I'm moving on with installing a one-way switch controlled by one lamp, I would like to demonstrate a plan or have my plan first. A plan is a sketch which enables an engineer to work or assist an engineer to work well. Now I would like to also identify some materials or items which I will use for the installation. So I would like to introduce or explore some items which I will be using it for the plan. Now our first item is we need a lamp holder as usual and a one-way switch. This is the purpose of our work. Without this switch, this lamp holder can work alright, but this switch will enable the lamp holder to off, assist it to off and then on. So this switch is very important in our installation. Then again, we will need 3 pieces of cables, 2 live wires and 1 neutral wire. So here we go, our 2 live wires and then 1 neutral wire. So let's move on to draw our plan first before we start the main practical. So not to waste my time, this is my plan which I'll be looking on it to perform my installation or wiring. So we have here our lamp. So this symbol is an electrical symbol or engineering symbol for lamp, and then this is my one-way switch. You can see clearly here, this is my one-way switch. Now in one-way switch, it has a common terminal. It has a 3 terminal: the common terminal, the L2 terminal and the L1 terminal. Now I would like to demonstrate how the installation would be before we go to our main practical. Now this lamp holder, this lamp here or lamp holder here would pick a neutral wire outside. This lamp holder has a terminal which are 3 terminal, but Ghana we don't use the other terminal, we only use 2 terminal. So now we are going to install a neutral wire in one of the terminals of the lamp holder, which will be the neutral wire outside, and then we are going to pick another wire which is a switch wire, and then we are going to install it in the other terminal of the lamp holder here. So here goes it. So we have the switch wire, here, and then the switch wire will come or would be also installed in the one gang one-way switch terminal, which is the L1. Purposely it will be installed in the L1 terminal. Now if mistakenly it has been installed in L2 terminal, which means if you off the light it will rather on, but if you on the light it will rather go off. That's the main purpose. That's the internal construction of the one-way switch. So we installed it in the L1 terminal. Again, I repeat, if mistakenly you install your live wire in L2 terminal, if you off your lamp or if you off your switch, it will rather on a lamp, whilst if you on it, it will off the lamp. So it is vice versa. So it is not appropriate to use L2 for an installation on such practical or such work. Now we are going to go back to our main practical video, so stand by. So now we have our lamp holder here, and we have to dismantle or uncover the lamp holder neatly. So here we go, we uncover the lamp holder. So here is the lamp holder. So as I said, we have 3 terminals here, but we are not going to use the additional 1 terminal. We are only going to use the 2 terminals here. So we are going to install our neutral in one of these terminals. So stand by and watch. So the neutral wire or cable has been installed into one of the terminals of the lamp holder. Then again, we have to install, based on our plan, we have to install other wire or cable, which is our switch wire, into our one-way switch, which is terminal L1. So we have to pick a live wire, which is a red wire, and install it in the one terminal of the lamp holder to L1 terminal, which is one-way switch terminal. So our 2 terminals have been installed with a neutral wire and a switch wire. So we go on to cover our lamp holder, and after that we take our switch wire or install our switch wire to our one-way switch. So there we have our lamp holder properly fixed back, and then we have to pick this switch wire from the lamp holder to our L1 of the one-way switch. So our switch wire has been installed to the L1 terminal of our one-way switch. So then we have to pick another live wire, which is red cable, to install it to the common here, the common terminal here of the one-way switch, the common terminal here, so that we can take it to the supply, or we can plug it to our supply to produce or to lighten up our project. So now let's install our next wire. Now our cable has been installed to the common terminal of the one-way switch. Now we have to then collect both ends, the neutral from the lamp holder and the live from the one-way switch to our source or our socket, which we are going to lighten up our project, and then expect the lamp to light up. So follow me. So our 2 cables, which is the neutral from the lamp holder and the live wire from the common terminal of our one-way switch, has been connected to our source, and then we have to install our lamp to expect lighting. So let's do it. So we are going to install our lamp to make sure everything is secured. Then again, we have to on our lamp. We have to on our lamp to see whether what we did turns out to be right. So we have to on our lamp here. So we are going to on our lamp. So here it goes. Sorry, so we have to on our lamp to see whether it works. So on. So here we have a light. So this is practically meant for a single room. So this practical is how to install a one-way switch controlled by one lamp. So off, and then on, then off, then on, and then off. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel now, do justice to it, because more will be coming. We will be having practical on how to. Next time we meet, we'll be having a practical on how to install two-gang two-way switch controlled by two lamps independently. So subscribe my video now, or subscribe to my channel now, JT Electrical Engineering STEM, for us to explore the world of electrical engineering. Thank you very much. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye bye.
Kindly subscribe.